Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, ama-reports aphumayo. I think sekunabo ama-4 days siloke siwabona lama-reports la. uThapelo Maseko eMamelodi Sundowns ekubheka ukuthi ngoJanuwari uzoyishiya iMamelodi Sundowns ajoyine enye ithimu on loan. But-ke at the same time ama-reports ayaphuma lokho ayaphuma ngiyawa-ignore because of iMamelodi Sundowns beyine-chance ukuthi imloni lo mdlali lo but azange imloni ya-rejecta wonke ama-offer wama-team. Sikhumbule ukuthi last day of the transfer window i-Stellenbosch size sigijima kuMamelodi Sundowns simfuna lo mdlali but iMamelodi Sundowns ya-reject. Sikhumbule ukuthi i-team yase-Cyprus beyimfuna umdlali ngeloni ya-reject iMamelodi Sundowns. Still akayitholi i-game time enough for iMamelodi Sundowns. Sesimbona laphana ku-DDC team, which is sad for umdlali bafethu-ke wadlala nakuBafana Bafana. He was highly influential. He was one of the biggest stars in the country. Emncane mfethu, like introduction yakhe beyi-strong kakhulu bafethu ebholeni lase-South Africa. To see him kule situation le angayitholi i-game time kuMamelodi Sundowns is not good at all for yena. I-development yakhe as i-players, yazi ukuthi umuntu akastop ukudevelopha, but uma umbheka uThapelo Maseko bafethu is just 22. He needs more game time. You know why he needs game time? He needs game time because of maningi ama-teams amfunayo around the world, even e-Europe bamfuna ngisho e-Europe, but iMamelodi Sundowns akadlali. I-talent unalo mfethu, unalo, is super talented to be honest. He's one of the brightest young stars in terms of like the speed that he has, taking players on. When he's given an opportunity to play, uyayibona equality, but equality noma ungaba nalo, but confidence mayingekho for ukuthi you don't even make the match day squad, udlala sometimes. So leyo nto leyo iyal-affecta a-player to be honest bafethu. Sikhumbule, I think when was it, like 2023, yebo 2023 waba i-play of the tournament what is this competition ku-AFL. So bekuyi-play li-exciting kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns, and wonke umuntu bekabheka ukuthi uThapelo Maseko uzoba ne-bright future laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns because bekayithola i-game time. Hugo Broos bekamfavor nokumfavor. Manje is currently out of iBafana Bafana squad esiya AFCON. Sikhumbule ukuthi the previous AFCON udlalile, siya ku-World Cup, is not even close. Naye uzama ukuthola i-game time ukuthi akwazi ukubuya kuBafana Bafana leli isikhala sakhe laphana, but-ke so bona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izomdedela. That is why mina ngidoubt ukuthi uMaseko angayishiya iMamelodi Sundowns, because iMamelodi Sundowns, they are not a selling team, to be fair. They would rather keep their players, babe nesquad esikhulu ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mebafuna ukucosha noma ukubiza umuntu from somewhere, they're able to call him umfana. So kuMamelodi Sundowns bamsayina from iSuperSport United after isizini egudi for iSuperSport United la adlala khona 34 games, wakora 4 goals and 2 assists. Babona italente from yena. Mamelodi Sundowns yakwazi-ke bafethu ukuthi imsayine. So far kuMamelodi Sundowns bafethu udlale 44 games, ukore 3 goals na 1 assist. I-record lakhe li-bad mawubheka kuMamelodi Sundowns, to be fair. Angithi manje sokudlaliswa abantu ngama-stats, ngisafani nakudala ukuthi they would focus on i-talent. Mase kubheka ama-stats ukuthi wenzeni la nala nala. Ujoyine iMamelodi Sundowns the 2023-2024 season. Even noma joina kuMamelodi Sundowns, but I think he was still carrying leya nto leya kuSuperSport United. That is why kube khona laphana kuBafana Bafana, because uSuperSport United that season, le season le yakhe enkulu udlale ama-game awulokhu njani bafethu. So lama-stats bengiwabala waselikini kuphela. Udlale ama-game elikini awu-24 for iSuperSport United that season. Washa amagoli awu-4, waba nama-assist awu-2. Mamelodi Sundowns yamlanda igijima because of bebabona i-young exciting talent ukuthi hawu nangu umdlali una-20. He was 19, he was not even 20 then. Bamsayina already then he was making iBafana Bafana squad right from iSuperSport United, not like ukuthi iqale lento lena kuMamelodi Sundowns. So when he got to Mamelodi Sundowns, first season yakhe Mamelodi Sundowns udlale 6 games, second season yakhe udlale 8 games. Manje it's ngisho elikini, ngisabala iliki kuphela bafethu, not ama-cup games. And then this season kuleague usadlale ka-5. It's not bad, but ama-minutes awadlalile mancane kakhulu uma wabheka kulama 5 games. Udlala ama-minutes awu-103 bafethu, that's not good enough. It means that udlale just over 1 game masobala i-90 minutes yonke kuwo wonke ama-match adlalile current season. It's not good. ama-minutes awadlalile futhi what is i-MTN data badlala ne-Orlando Pirates bamfakile wathola ama-minutes, even naku-Nedbank Cup bamfakile, naku-Carling. So no man, why ngithi Carling akadlalanga u-Carling this season. But yeah, i-player exciting kakhulu bafethu. U-Champions League uke wadlala for iMamelodi Sundowns. Vele last season ku-Champions League udlala ama-match awu-3 nje kuphela, and then the previous season udlala ama-match awu-7 for iMamelodi Sundowns. Kulawo waba ne-season engconywana, mawuhlanganisa ama-game wakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns wonke bewangcono kakhulu. That is why mesihlanganisa ama-league, ama-cup games esikhathini sakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns siyabona ukuthi udlala ama-game amaningi. But yeah, sobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izodecide bafethu, because umdlali and he was pushing for him move this transfer market yaphosta nawo online ukuthi akekho right, kubonakala ngathi ibhola akasalithandi njenga before, so ziningi izinto complaining as immediately mayeqeda ukuphosta le nto leya bafethu baqala ukumdlalisa the next game. But yakulastanga, cause I remember that game wadlala neMagesi, wadlala kahle kakhulu. But after lokho akazange asadlala, and manje sikhumbule ubani uLitlago ulimele, uMabhena udlala ku-DDC team, still uMaseka akadlali. Kusho ukuthi mababiza uMabhena babiza uLitlaga a-recovera in fully, uzoba kuphi-ke down the pecking orders, kusho ukuthi akana chance at all yokudlala laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ingakho they have to make a plan ukuthi umdlali bamhambise bafethu ethole i-loan. I mean, ukufuna e-Europe akusinto encane, but iMamelodi Sundowns nayi problem enkulu. iMamelodi Sundowns i-invest imali serious ukuthi imlethe kuMamelodi Sundowns. So that is why kunzima for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi vele imhambise umdlali. Maybe nayo ifuna ukugain imali yayo back, but izoyigena kanjani imali yayo back because umdlali akadlali. Kusho ukuthi ilo yakhe what is this, market value yakhe yehlile since lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns because of akasekho kuBafana Bafana, akadlala ama-game amaningi, so they cannot expect ukuthi bathole le mali le, not even close to le mali le abamsana ngayo kuSuperSport United, but they have to make sure ukuthi bayamhambisa umdlali bafethu. Yeah, I remember or even I think it was after my performances wakhe lapha na 2023 Africa Cup of Nations bafethu, iFIFA yamrecognize ukuthi abeka abadlali abayi-5 base-Africa abathi to watch in 2024. Cabanga already iFIFA beyimrecognize ukuthi is one of the brightest talent e-Africa yonke, not just nje e-South Africa kuphela. Guess what, that 2024 maqala isizini le yango-2024 ayizamkhalela umfowethu, so yazisakhala namanje because of yena efuna i-game time, and he was linked with ama-teams are different, even locally, even ama-big teams. Well, they will never sell uMaseko to Kaizer Chiefs. Forget about that. They don't do business no Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest, because ama-rivals wabo. Mangithi they don't do business, ngisho ukubathengisa alikho iplayer line-contract kuMamelodi Sundowns elizojoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, khohlwa alikho. They would rather loan that player balikhokhele balise ku-Durban City. Example, nangu uTerence Mashego befuna i-Kaizer Chiefs manje ukuphi, uku-Durban City. Vele ngashaya example e-perfect, uku-Durban City. Siyama ukuthi bazoba ne-solution because of you cannot afford ukuba ne-player elingajabulanga ethimini. You need to have ama-player ajabulile bazokwazi ukudeliver, because manje if khona iplayer elingekho right, namanye amalokhu njani ama-player ba-affected because of i-change from ayibi health ayibi right, so they need to try and find i-solution ngendaba kaMaseko because he's a bright talent. That is why afuna ukudlala. Unfortunately kuMamelodi Sundowns akanayo i-chance yokuthi adlale umfowethu. What a talent, ama-man of the match anawo bafethu, angazi nokuthi ayingakhi. Cabanga unama-man of the match lo muntu lo aserious amaningi, not just 1 or 2 or 3, unama-man of the match performances. I-talent siyazi ukuthi likhona, i-game time kodwa siyazi ukuthi ayikho. Likuyibamba lana okwamanje. Danko bafethu, angakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page siyalikhulisa lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Thapelo Maseko, what a player bafethu, what a great player at 22. I-future yakhe inkulu kakhulu. I mean, obviously being dropped from iBafana Bafana akusinto encane, into enkulu kakhulu because of iBafana Bafana bezothatha imbekele phezulu bafethu, but-ke it's sad because of akasekho nakuBafana Bafana. Uze une-goal laphana ku-international level, imagine bafethu kuBafana Bafana, but-ke indaba yakhe ayisekho. Well, even nase-Belgium before ngihamba, even nase-Belgium benama-offer bafethu, but-ke wachuza iMamelodi Sundowns. Why? Mamelodi Sundowns yam-offer imali eningi, naye emthusayo umfana nge-age yakhe, but-ke uZenzile akakhalelwa, to be honest bafethu, uZenzile akakhalelwa, hola imali eningi kabi lo muntu lona. Le situation akuyo, at least noma engadlali yena ukhalela ukuthi akadlali, but-ke mhlawumpe unawo lo 100 and something thousand isalary yakhe, uyi-millionaire because iMamelodi Sundowns mayisayina nayo khona le mali ekuthiwa i-signing on fee wayithola. So uyakhala but i-bank balance yakhe i-healthy. So imagine-ke kuyimi nje umuntu onganalutho okhalayo, okhala na 0-0, so ukhala kamnandi umfowethu. Danko.